Yeah, a teacher gave this to students to solve. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, that should be 9, plus 10 equals, so 1 plus 2 plus 3. So the way to do it is in a stupid way. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5. I might manage to do it, but it's really hard. Imagine if you've been given from 1 to 100. 1 plus 2 plus up to 100. So one clever student said, okay, let's work it twice. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then another one, 2 lines. Other way around. Start from here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So what we're going to do, we've been asked to work out the total of this line. But what I will do it double. This line, then this line, which is double, then divide it by 2. Adding this together, then add this together. Divide it by 2. We'll find the answer in a quick way. If you notice with me, look at this. I will put it in groups. 1 plus 10 is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. Then this one, 3 plus 8, 11. 7 and 4, 11. 5 and 6, 11. 6 and 5, 11. 7 and 4, 11. 8 and 3, 11. 9 and 2, 11. 10 and 1, 11. Oh, I end up with 11s. So how many 11s? If we count them, who can count with me? You got the answer? If not, we count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 times 11 equals 10 times 11. As we know, times 11 is like that. 111. So what we have there is the total of 2 lines. So we need only, in reality, we need only half, only the first half. So this total divided by 2 is the total of 1 line, equals 55. Clear and simple. So to work out from 1 to 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, do it twice. In other way around, yeah? Then add them together, pair them in twos. You find out that 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Then you end up with how many 11s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 times 11. 10 times 11 equals 110. But in reality, we don't need to add all this together. We need only 1 line, which is half. So this divided by 2, as we said, 110 divided by 2 is 55. It is very easy. Okay? Good.